if you want to see how I went from this to this, then keep on watching. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video, and into this video I bring you something grand. Anyways, for today's video I'm going to be making my hair, but I'm going to be using Kinky. Yeah, I'm going to be making use of Expression, Ceres Xpression, yeah, in 30 inches, color 30. I really love this color because it suits my skin tone, you get, right? Anyways, my hair is freshly washed and looking all ready to go. Alright, yeah, for this video I'll be making use of this. I bought 2 of it. Hopefully it will be enough, because I just realized today that my hair has actually grown longer than, way longer than the last time I used Kinky. So hopefully it will be enough. Then I'm also going to be making use of my combs. This is like my comb pouch. All combs, scissors and everything is inside here. Then my hair oil as well. DIY. Really DIY. Anyways, yeah, let's get right into the video. Alright, so I went right ahead to, prep the Kinky so I don't have to be going back and forth with cutting. And after doing that, I went ahead to oil my scalp. By the way, I'm starting off on freshly washed hair. I just finished washing my hair and it is, good to go. Anyways, after oiling my scalp, I gave myself a bit of a scalp massage just to get that blood flow going. All right, then I sectioned off my hair. I washed my hair in twist, and so now it's time to detangle it. I will not lie, this method I used for this particular wash day, I have not done it before. It's not like I don't wash my hair in twist. I wash my hair in twist, but in chunky twist, like already well chunky twist. I decided to retain this particular little twist after taking down my mini braids, so that it will be easier for me to part it. I don't have to start from scratch anymore. But unfortunately, or unfortunately, I feel like that was like the wrongest decision I made for this particular hairstyle, because it took me like even longer than the amount of time I use in braiding or in twisting. It took me longer than that to detangle just my hair, because as you can see from the video, I didn't actually detangle everything, you get, before twisting. I was detangling as I was twisting, because I actually like it that way. I don't want all my hair, in case I don't finish it that day, all my hair won't be just down, you get. But this detangling, it's something I won't repeat again. It's something I really won't repeat again. It took me a whole lot, and I felt like I lost some really good amount of hair even because of this particular method. So one point you should take home is that when you are washing your hair, let it not be super tiny twists like you are seeing on this video. Let it not be too tiny if you're washing your hair in twist. Of course, I detangled it before washing it in twist, but I still didn't like the result. So don't let it not be too tiny. That's one. Then secondly, as soon as you finish washing your hair, detangle it. Like, detangling should be the next thing on your list before you decide to install any new style. You understand? Detangle it, then before you can now prep it for another style. All right, because before I could get to the top of my hair, those parts were already dried and it wasn't funny at all. I had to pause. I had to pause the twist and then start combing and adding. Of course, I will add conditioner. I had my leave-in conditioner, my oils. I had to start combing. I lost extra amount of hair for that combing alone. You understand? So one point to note is that ensure you detangle your hair immediately. And I mean, that should be the next thing on your list. Once you finish washing your hair, deep conditioning your hair, and all of that. If possible, detangle in the shower. But personally, I don't exactly like that. But detangle your hair is the point of everything. All right, so back to the video. Yeah, as you can see, the video is well sped up because it took me a good number of hours to actually finish this style. All right, and let's say it took me about 3 days. Yeah, I did it within 3 days. Reason because I had to do some other things in between. You get. So when I felt like it was time for me to go, I just tie my hair in a scarf and up and go. But I decided to slow it down here so you see like what exactly I was doing all through the sped part of this video. Yeah. This is the first time I'm actually doing this particular color 30 in Kinky, and honestly, I love the color. I love the color. I made my hair into the night on this particular day, the day 2. Even we had a visitor in the house that particular day, and it was like, you're videoing yourself. Oh wow. It was like he was seeing one kind of film trick or something, but then the show must continue anyway. But nonetheless, I absolutely loved this color. It was giving mwah. It was giving nice, it was giving amazing, it was giving pretty, beautiful. I really love the color, to be honest. Also, I think another thing you want to take note of when you are installing Kinky into your hair is to ensure that your own hair strands you oil your hair very well. Oil your strands because it can be drying. Yeah, I think that's the word. It can be very drying. This particular Ceres Kinky I used was the synthetic one. Yeah, so I felt like it was a little bit stripping, kind of stripped my hair a bit. But I was really happy because I oiled my scalp. After the experience I had with the other parts of my hair when I was detangling it, I did not need another soothsayer to tell me I should detangle the rest part of my hair first before I continued braiding. I had to do that, otherwise I would sleep on this particular section. So that was what I did. I detangled it and made sure it was alright before I started braiding again. By the way, like I said in my previous video, I'm going to link it up here, so in case you have not checked it out, you do so. I've been parting my hair for a very long time, so it kind of gets easier. Okay, so at this point I literally can part my hair without, depending on where I'm parting anyways, I can part my hair without having to look at the mirror, especially at the back, you get. And plus at the back, it's kind of, it doesn't need to be that perfect, you get. So I part most of the time without looking at the mirror. But for the front, oh no, I ensure I'm having a mirror because I want it to be, straight and everything. Yeah, This place I had a mirror at my front, not really at my back. There was a mirror at my front that I was using while parting my hair. And like I said, if you know you are not comfortable parting your hair with just feeling through the parts to be sure that you are okay with it, then it's a very advisable that you use the double mirror method. Alright, so that it will be easier for you, and with time you'll get used to parting your own hair. At this point, I was done for the second day and down to the grand finale, the last day. I looked fresh this morning. Alright, as usual, I went ahead to spritz my hair with water, use my leave-in conditioner and my oil to detangle it a little bit, so that it will be easier for me to just work with as well. It's the dance of finally on the last lap. I was super excited, alright. I was just really, honestly, I was feeling both tired at the same time excited. we are finally done. Like, ah, I love this hair. I love the color. I love the way it was short. Like, I don't know, there's this thing with just having short hair that's not so bulky and everything. But anyways, I love this hair. It was giving pretty, it was giving unique, it was giving amazing. Like, I loved it. Anyways, so here is the final look. Alright, so we've come to the end of today's video. This is the final look. I'm just going to turn around so you see what's going on there. Beautiful, right? Alright, so thank you so much for staying with me to the end. Please don't forget to like this video, comment, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you in my next video. Bye!